In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional training manual. Let's get started. First, I'll navigate to the top of my dashboard and click on the Create New AI button. From the available creation methods, I'll select Generate to build our manual from scratch. Since we are focusing on a detailed guide, I'll choose Document as the format. I'm also going to adjust the length to 8 cards to ensure the content is well structured and easy to digest. Now, I'll type in my prompt, specifying that I want a comprehensive training manual for corporate teams that covers AI productivity tools, prompt engineering, and ethical data handling. Once I click Generate Outline, the AI instantly provides a clear structure for our modules. After a quick review, I'll select the Serene theme to give it a clean look and click Generate. As the AI begins building the manual, you can see it populating each card with relevant text and organized sections, from data analysis to workflow automation. Once the generation is finished, I can go through the entire document to review the results. If I want to make any changes, the toolbar on the right gives me full control to edit the presentation exactly how I want. I can refine the text, adjust the layout, or add new media elements to customize the manual to my team's specific needs. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI to create training manuals.